Framer creators have a new home on the internet. One platform to connect creators and clients to unlock new opportunities. New creators pages highlight what truly matters, your work, all in a more customizable, brandable space. So you can create a page that feels like you. Share all the details that make you unique and set expectations and availability right up front. When clients reach out through creator pages, everyone wins. Every request includes a detailed overview of the potential project, letting you quickly get up to speed and decide if it's a match. To continue the conversation, simply respond to the incoming email. And best of all, no fees, just more opportunities and visibility. Apply for your own Framer Expert page today at framer.com/experts.